I have these two Dollar Tree trucks, and I'm going to start by painting them white. I am using the Wise Owl white primer just so that I don't get any staining, and I'm going to do 2 coats, and I'm going to paint both sides. Once dry, I'm going to stack 3 Jenga blocks, one to the left stacked and one to the right stacked, 3 of them, hot gluing them, and then I'm going to lay the 2 trucks on top of one another. So now they're kind of like 3D. Then I'm going to go in and paint the Jenga blocks, the sections that I can see, just to take your eye away from that and that it all blends. I found this Happy Easter sign. It was in the 90% off from last Easter, but you can pick any board. Mine just already had Happy Easter on it. And I'm going to hot glue the truck to the plaque, just under the Happy Easter. I found these lamb's ear at Walmart, and I'm going to just take the leaves and I'm going to glue them inside that little space in the back of the truck, just by putting hot glue on the leaves and then placing them where I want them to go. I laid some on the bottom section of the truck, and then I laid some of them on the upper portion of the top truck. Hope that makes sense. I took these Dollar Tree carrots. I took about 3 of them and just hot glued them inside the truck. Leaving a space. I kind of did 2 to the left and 2 to the right. Once they're glued in, I'm just going to cut back some of the stemming so that you can still see my word happy. Then I found this pack of bunny butts. They came in blue and pink, and I took the blue and I hot glued it at the back of the truck. I found this napkin at Christmas Tree Shop, and I have to take the back ply off. A lot of times I grab a razor blade and just hit that edge, and it comes apart pretty easily. And you just want to be gentle so you don't tear your napkin. And I'm not going to use the whole thing. I'm just going to cut out the portion at the bottom that says jelly beans, chocolate, and carrots. And then I'm going to cut out where it says Carrot Company. Now you can't see it probably well, but this napkin has almost like a black polka dot splattered texture to it that we'll deal with in a little bit, because it did make it kind of not really blend into the white. And I decoupaged the Carrot Company near the door area using my 1 hour enamel clear, laying down the piece of the napkin using the saran wrap with the brayer. And then I'm going to lay the words across that say carrot and jelly bean. Again, laying the 1 hour enamel clear down first, laying down the pieces of my napkin, and then going over the top. And I did hit this with the brayer very gently. And then I added the word chocolate and allowed all this to dry. And now I went a little closer so you could see the black specks. So I just took a paintbrush and I just added the black specks all around the body of the truck, just so that it blend in with this pattern on the piece of napkin. Then I'm going to just take this little bit of rope that I had, and I'm just going to staple it to the back using my Bosch stapler. We do have this on our Amazon store at chocolatefancy.com. If you'd like a link, I could provide that. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.